Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Sydney, and in today's video I am sharing tons of cleaning motivation. As you guys saw in the preview, I am tackling our bathrooms mainly and my twin boys' room, since they both really needed the most attention on this day. So if you are needing some encouragement to get things done, whether that's tackle those dishes in your sink you've let pile up, or switch that load of laundry, I hope this inspires you to do that. So if you guys enjoy these types of videos, please be sure to subscribe and say hi down below in the comments. I would love to get to know you guys more. And with all of that being said, let's get into this video. So if you've been watching my videos for a while, then you know that my least favorite chores are cleaning my bathrooms and laundry. So every time I get to cleaning them, I feel so good and accomplished afterwards. So let me know if you feel the same way. And if you do, I hope this motivated you to tackle your bathrooms also. And I do end up mopping the floors towards the end of the video. I just wanted to make sure that they were both clean before starting to mop.
I lost my way, no words to say. Time flies by on my mind. I'm cutting down the wires, feeling kinda tired. I think I lost myself, I think I lost it all. I'm cutting down the wires, I'm feeling kinda tired, I think I lost myself, I think I lost it all. You know I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about
So if you are new here, I wanted to make a quick introduction and tell you guys more about myself. So my name is Sydney. I'm a wife. I've been married for 6 years with my best friend, and I'm also a stay-at-home mom of our 3 boys, 4-year-old twins, and an almost 15-month-old. I started this channel a couple of years ago when I was suffering from very bad postpartum anxiety and depression with my boys, and I just felt like I needed an outlet, and I found YouTube to be that. I was hoping to connect with other moms as well who may be going through the same or similar situation and just encourage each other, because sometimes knowing that you aren't alone in this motherhood journey can make all the difference in the world. So if you are watching and if you are in a hard season in motherhood, I'm here for you, and just know that you are doing the best that you can right now, and that this hard season will pass, I promise. If you ever need someone to talk to or to vent, you can definitely message me on here or and on my Instagram. I am always open to listen, because I know motherhood is not easy. It definitely has more ups than downs. Sometimes the lows can be very low. So just know that I'm here for you, and you are not alone.
Leaving this place, the sun's about to break. You're riding shotgun, the feeling we chase. I'm wide awake, take me away now. 'Cause I won't go down the same old path again now. No, I've been running out of air, so let me catch my breath. Feeling I've got's making me crazy. If I'm having a good time, don't you blame me. Yeah, this feeling I've got's making me crazy, making me crazy. So I'm just gonna drive, drive, drive. I'm just gonna drive, drive, drive. I'm just gonna drive, drive.
So now that I tackled both bathrooms, I wanted to clean my boys' room. It's not a complete disaster, but it had been a while since I gave this room a good cleaning and dusting. I'll also be decluttering some of their toys, because I've noticed that they don't use a lot of their stuff anymore. So if you are still watching, be sure to leave a thumbs up if you are enjoying this clean with me so far, and let me know down below in the comments what you are cleaning right now with me.
Sure, it's ours now. The road never ends. It's me and my friends. These are the good times. And I'm feeling like I could go on forever. And I've been running out of air, so let me catch my breath. The feeling I've got's making me crazy. If I'm having a good time, don't you blame me. Yeah, this feeling I've got's making me crazy, making me crazy. So I'm just gonna drive, drive, drive. I'm just gonna drive, drive, drive. I'm just gonna drive, drive. I'm just gonna drive, drive, drive.
On my own, but I'm never alone. On a road to wherever I want. And you see, I go with the wind, the places I've been, I keep
guys, so this is the current state of the boys' room. Kind of took everything out of the closet. This, I gotta organize it, maybe declutter some things. And I think I'm gonna get rid of these blocks. I don't know if I want to save them for Liam because, I don't know, the boys never use these anymore and it's just taking up space. Yeah, well, maybe in the future we'll end up getting Liam some, but as of right now, they're just taking up space that we don't really need it. And then Liam's over here playing with something. What's that? So I did want to go ahead and put some of the bulkier toys in here and then organize this thing. And I'm gonna have one in here and then one out here because I got rid of this little table they used to have. So that's what I'm gonna do real quick and hopefully just get it a little bit more tidy and put together.
Wanna get closer, wanna come over, I wanna get moving, grooving. Your folks disapproving, we can have fun, yeah. Don't need no money, and we can be brilliant without millions. Baby, it ain't no closer, wanna come over, I wanna get moving, grooving. Your folks disapproving, we can have fun, yeah. Don't need no money, and we can be brilliant without millions. Get up and down, get up and down, get up and down and move around. Get up and down, get up and down, get up and down and move
Alright guys, so now that I am getting closer towards the end of this video, I hope you guys enjoyed and thank you so much for sticking with me. I truly appreciate you and I hope this gave you inspiration to get a couple things done around your home. Please remember to leave a thumbs up if you enjoyed and subscribe if you are new and enjoy this type of content along with motherhood vlogs, routines, and that sort of thing. And I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye guys.
I want you to